to advocates. So my request to our honorable CM is that please help into this matter, and we need some financial help, as you have given some sort of help, that is you have granted 16,000 rupees to us last year. So this year also we are expecting, and little more help. Why? Because some lost advocates, which the advocates, they have lost their lives in this COVID. They may be helped by your beloved CM. I mean, the help must be to their families, to the families of the deceased. Yes, families of the deceased, their spouse and children, of any sort of financial help. And this may be recorded. Why? Because, and one more thing, Ayushman Bharat may be also included in this health issue, health insurance. Why? Because if this sort of things are going on like this, we will be losing each and every advocate day by day. Day by day, you can notice, you can have a record, and you can inquire also through your sources that each per day by day we are losing any 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 likewise advocates. Of many advocates also, judges also, they are judges also. Till now we have lost many judges and judicial staff. So concluding my speech over this viral speech, I want to tell you, sir, we may be from any legal cell, BJP or TRS. Thing is, we are working for the people. We are also the frontliners, and we are the social doctors, I suppose. And you also know that we are very important to society, as I say. Why? Because if we are there, courts exist, courts are there, judicial system will exist. So finally, I want to conclude that advocates are most important people for the society, and we are losing day by day in this Telangana, and nothing is going on. Nothing. No help has been we are receiving till now. The insurance may be 1 or 2 lakhs, but the hospital people, they are charging a lot unaccountable billing they're charging. So this is the issue. You have to see into this matter, the hospitals of the private hospitals also, for on the billing systems. And we need to be, our insurance has to be totally way off for our advocates. Why? Because we are the social doctors of the society, and pensions and pension plan has to be given for our advocates of 10,000 rupees at least, for advocates above 50 years in this Telangana government under your rule. I suppose you can understand our point of speech, that one is the total way of insurance of our advocates in the hospitals which we go, any private hospital. And the second thing is pension has to be given for our advocates above 50 years, and juniors has to be given, some newcomers below 5 years, juniors has to be given some stipend like financial aid of rupees 5,000. 3 demands I am putting to you on in forward to you, sir, on behalf of our advocate fraternity. This is Ramesh Thakur, advocate of Supreme Court from BJP Legal Cell. And I think the information which I am giving through this web can satisfy your doubts, any doubts if you are having. Because our advocates are dying day by day, and you can understand the issue. It's very serious. Day by day, they have been weak in their financial standards. And one more thing, then also some people are surviving through their some side businesses, side some sort of business they are running, and some people are fully doing their own profession, full-time profession. So this is the hard time for the advocates to live on this on this earth. So I request you to please help our advocates up to your utmost. Up to your utmost satisfaction of the thing to help to the advocates who are in need of some financial aid. Maybe they can't express. Why? Because we are the professionals. Right now we are facing a bad time in this Telangana state. Thank you.